Yo, what's up guys, it's GamerGab. So today, we will be cutting my mom's hair. I know how to measure. Wait, how much is 1 inch again? So this amethyst is very colorful hairbrush and this very safe small scissors. So we are gonna be cutting my mom's hair. Right? Meow! We have a viewer over here. This is Kiara, my friend. And this is the pig latte. Just kidding, he's not a pig. This is my weird mommy who thinks she's wearing Gucci. Just because it has goose in it. Goosey.
Let's find out how long is the original.
It's like 55, I think.
So we're gonna make it 52.
Ano? 52 lang? Until here na lang.
No.
You have dandruff.
Don't say that. Delete that. Where? Is there? I don't have.
So I will be cutting this. Oh my god. What? I was told this is for cutting hair.
It is. Wait. I'll show you. See? It worked.
This better work.
Let's try this one. Ayun.
Finally! This part?
Yeah.
What the? How come it works for mommy? You're a bad boy. There. I guess it works for me if I cut it like this.
Did you cut?
No. I'm pulling it instead.
Ouch.
It's the worst scissors ever.
I think we'll be done in the year 2021.
Will be done in year 2020. The scissors was a fail. This is all we cut. The scissors did not cooperate. It works for my mom. It doesn't work for me. So, mommy, just go to the parlor. So anyway, that's all. What did I do? See you next time. Bye. Please subscribe. So this is the finished product. Comment down below if you like my mommy new hairstyle.